Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Rasulullah Mehenban. My metric number is S52552. Today I will present about my study and the topic is the effect of the food consumption, behavior toward intention to visit Kelantan Food Festival. For the introduction, local food is an important element that can help to create new experience for tourists and increase the attractiveness of the destination. Second, the food also is an important element considered in the development initiative to strengthen tourism destination and create linkages between industry benefit food production and tourism industry. Tourists being attracted to events based on the several elements are that interesting. Most events organized in Kelantan were culturally rooted, labeling as the cradle of Malay culture. For example, the number of tourist arrivals were 4 million for domestic tourists and about 1 million for international tourism. For problem statement, first problem statement of this topic is the previous study on the food festival revealed that physical environment of the festival, motivation to visit and the satisfaction of visitors as experience are important. Second is little research about the relationship. Second is little research about relationship between food tourism behavior and food festival, where food are most important of the food festival. For research objective is, the first research objective is to identify the motivation of tourists to visit Kelantan Food Festival. Whether push and pull factor are influent to visiting food festival among the tourists. Second objective is to investigate the satisfaction toward the Kelantan Food Festival that will significantly contribute to tourists' visitation. It is to know detail about tourist satisfaction visit food festival and whether will to revisit again. For the research question, the first research question is what is the motivation of tourists to visit Kelantan Food Festival? It is to know reason more about visiting food festival at Kelantan among the tourists. Second research question is, did the satisfaction toward the Kelantan Food Festival that will significantly contribute to tourists' visit intention? It is to know more about tourist satisfaction and expectation visiting food festival than to know that it significantly contribute to tourist visit. For literature review, it is explained more detail about the element included in this study, such as this is the framework that will to conduct study progress and contribute the research question. For the method, first is research design. Research design for this study is use a quantitative method to examine, to collect primary data. Questionnaire was designed. It specifically focused on domestic and international tourists above 18 years old. Quantitative research data collection instrument was the questionnaire that has been selected based on condition of the study. Its purpose for the quantitative approach using a descriptive design. Then population. Target population were the domestic and international tourists who are above 18 years old that has been visiting Kelantan Food Festival. It also target the tourists has experience in food festival will be approached. For sample technique was used is snowball sampling technique to deliver 176 questionnaire in order to acquire the valid data from the respondent. For data collection, the questionnaire survey were used as a current data collection which is contribute through online Google Form, those data in order to seek the motivation of tourists to visit Kelantan Food Festival and the satisfaction toward the Kelantan Food Festival that will significantly contribute to tourists to visit food festival. For research instrument, the research instrument was divided to 4 parts, which is part A was the motivation factor, and part B was the tourist satisfaction toward Kelantan Food Festival. Part C was intention to visit tourist destination, and part D was the social demographic. For data analysis, data we analyze using statistical package for the social science SPSS version 25. Frequency and percentage were used to examine social demographic. The descriptive statistic mean and standard deviation for finding motivation factor, tourist satisfaction and intention to revisit. For multiple integration test, we'll measure the relationship between motivation factor and satisfaction toward Kelantan Food Festival. For the linear regression, used to test the hypothesis, apply to examine the effect of food consumption behavior toward intention to visit Kelantan Food Festival.